2 minutes until the open. We are looking at a softer open, bit of risk off. Brexit got a little bit of an extension till May 22nd, a little bit less than what they were looking for. And Goldman has cut the chances of May's Brexit deal being ratified from 250 from 60%. Like I said, we are a little bit lower, mostly on European stock markets being weaker than expected German manufacturing data. So that has been weighing on it. You know, the European zone in general has been weak, and then if the strongest economy in that union is showing signs of further weakness, that doesn't bode well for the rest of the region. So it's more of a global type of thing. We are seeing a little bit, and I am eyeing Boeing. The first, the first publicly confirmed attempt to cancel a 737 MAX 8 order since the planes were grounded. Indonesia's national airlines told Boeing it wants to cancel an order of 49 of these jets. So we'll see what that is. I am eyeing it. Again, I'm still going to be playing off of this area here. If it wants to play in this area here down in that 365 area, I'm going to be looking to sell a put spread if the reward to risk is right. But we need to move lower than here. We're trading about 368.5. If we get in that 365 area, I'm going to be looking at something like next week 360, 362.5 put spread. If we can sell that for a decent reward to risk, I'll do it.